Hi, we live in a world with all kind of issues which is impacting our life on day-to-day basis. Today, I would love to draw your attention to the quality of water that we consume and how we store the water for consumption. We cannot control the quality of water from the source, and rainwater is the main source, which picks up wind-blown dirt, leaves, fecal dropping from the animals. This water is pumped from the source and stored in overhead tanks. How safe is your water tank water? Water tank contamination is one of the main reasons for epidemics in most of the countries. Most stomach ailments are caused due to contaminated stored water. Poor hygiene in water from tanks and at the point of use can present health concerns. Storage tanks can present the breeding ground for mosquitoes, including the species that transmit dengue virus. Sunlight promotes algal growth, so covered water tanks should be used. How often do we clean our water tanks? But what we can do is keep the water storage clean and safe. Waterborne diseases cause millions of deaths each year, mainly among children under 5 years of age. In the developing world, almost 5 million deaths per year are directly attributable to the waterborne diseases. Coliform bacteria results from environmental contamination. It is important that we clean our overhead tanks every 2 months. We have the HandBuzz water tank cleaner from Eurotech to do your water tank cleaning in a jiffy. Come, let's see how it works. Open the box. Telescopic handle, brush head with hose, and say it's a guarantee card. User's manual, and it's a brochure. Twist to extend the handle. So, snap on the handle and you're ready to go. Cut the tag to release the hose. Open the valve, fill the hose with water. The non-return valve prevents water from leaking. With an innovative patented product, HandBuzz water tank cleaner, you don't have to worry about tank cleaning anymore. This is also a great opportunity for you to partner with us to make a safe drinking water accessible to all. With a nominal investment, you can get your returns within a few weeks' time. For dealership, agency, distribution, and business associate inquiries, email us info@handbuzz.com.